Okay, let's take a look at this big, monstrous question. Which of the following best parallels the relationship between Charles Edwards, whom I'm going to call CE, and John Morris, whom I'm going to call JM? Respective interpretations regarding the existence of King Arthur. So we go back. What's CE think about King Arthur? Well, CE says that there may have been an Arthur, but we'll never know. JM says, well, Arthur is very important here in understanding the history of the Rem Britain time period, and therefore he's very important and makes him the organizing principle. Okay, so you can kind of back away from the question and say, okay, yeah, CE does what we don't know for sure. JM, Arthur's very important. Okay, go back, starting with A. An ancient historical document is transcribed by 3 scholars, each who have similar interpretations or translations, but different or divergent interpretations. Right off the bat, I don't like the 3 scholars bit, and it's a little bit too general here. The divergent interpretations, sure, maybe, but again, 3 scholars gone. B, according to one archaeologist, recent evidence unearthed at a dig suggests that North America may have been populated earlier than thought. Okay, so this could work, while another archaeologist says that the evidence is too insubstantial to say for certain whether this is the case. Now, this latter part definitely sounds like CE. Does JM? Does it sound like it's the organizing principle? Well, unearthing digs suggest that North America may have been populated than earlier thought. So this archaeologist believes this. Now, making it the organized principle, not quite the same thing, but I'm going to leave this answer choice. I'm going to put a little squiggly mark next to it. I'll put it right there, just because I'm not going to get rid of this one right away. It does parallel it, but maybe there's something better, and so I go to C. Radiostatic picked up from distant space was thought to follow a typical pattern, and so indicative of other life forms. So that to me definitely sounds like JM. But then look at the next part. This other group of scientists dismissed it outright. CE does not dismiss the existence of Arthur outright. That is clearly wrong, so we can get rid of C. D, a team of marine biologists recently found a prehistoric fish thought extinct for thousands of years. What about the other team? Did they believe it? Nope, don't have anything there. Too basic. E, a work thought to be that of a Flemish master upon being exposed as a forgery was nonetheless bought by a museum claiming that the work was indeed an original. One person saying it's fake, one person saying it's not. That doesn't parallel CE and JM. Remember, CE isn't sure. And there you go. B is the best answer. Doesn't perfectly parallel it, but there's nothing wrong with it, and unlike the other ones, so there it is.